15 minus 5 equals 10 and 15 minus 5 equals 10 and 10 times 10, which gives us 100. But this answer is not correct because according to the PEMDAS rules, we must do first the parentheses, then the exponents, the next step multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same for addition and subtraction. Okay, let's start our solution. In our problem we have this subtraction and this multiplication. Also we have these parentheses. By following the PEMDAS rules, first we must do this parentheses. After that we do this multiplication. And finally we do this subtraction. So first this parentheses. We have 15 minus 5, which equals 10. Now our problem became 15 minus 5 times 10. So we must do this multiplication first. 5 times 10, which gives 50. Now our problem became 15 minus 50, which gives us minus 35. And this is our final answer for this problem.